Hi everybody, welcome to another Temuesday. I have two packages. It's the same order, they just send them in two packages. They've been doing that since, I don't know, the last couple times if I've ordered like something spillable and something not spillable, so I don't know how interesting these are going to be because I think a lot of these are color changing polishes. Um, this is like a nudie pink. I really like the color it is now, but I think when it's warm, it changes to white, and then the tips, like the nail bed would be white, and then the tip would be pink. So kind of like a reverse manicure, like a reverse French manicure color. Um, this is a rubber base gel. I think this is, yeah, this is basically the same color as that. We definitely have a theme. Um, this says quick extension gel. I think this is like a builder gel. Again, basically the same color. Awesome. Um, quick extension. Are these two the same? Hold them up. Yeah, these two are the same. I think I got two of them just because they were. This is rubber base gel. I think this is the same as this one. Yeah, the 257. Yeah, so that's just like a um a base gel with a little bit more grip on it, and this one is a thermal. I think this one goes from like white to peach to this color, and it's got a little bit of shimmer in it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's there. So I think I'm gonna use this one tomorrow on my mom because I have to do her nails tomorrow. And then this is a little 6-pack of glitter. So this one's got like a purple reflex, green, um, purple again. So this is pink, purple. This one's kind of like a goldy. This one's blue, and this one's kind of multicolor. And I don't know how all those are, but cute. All right, and then this other bag is just random stuff. I had to open this one because there was something for my mom in here. These are little. I'm kind of interested in these. These are little grow bags, which I just filmed the video on. How are these supposed to, like, they're not, I don't know, that's kind of crappy. But I guess you would fill that with soil, and then you could plant inside of here. But I just filmed a video replanting all of my seeds that I started, and I still have a couple of these left over. These really need to be watered. So I think I'm just going to throw them in there with some soil and hope for the best. But yeah, that I was expecting more. At least to have like a gusseted bottom, but pretty expect they were 14 cents. This is a little micro block kit. Um, I really want to do Legos, but I don't have Lego money. I don't know how anybody has Lego money. Have you ever looked at like the price of Legos? Ridiculous. So I bought this kit and I was like, oh, it's only $2, and look how cute it is. But judging by the size of these pieces, I don't know. There's my thumb. Um, I, it says ages 14 up. I am like 3 times that, so maybe I'll be able to do it. Oh, wait, am I exactly 3 times that? Yeah, I am. By the time you see this, I probably will be. Okay, this I am super interested in. It is. I don't have the wherewithal tonight, y'all. I am very sick again. I don't know that I have the wherewithal to actually put this together, but it is a brush holder. So it'll be like stadium style seating, like this, all on top of each other. Yeah, I mean this is what it'll look like. Look how the instructions go like this. Like this is how you end up over here, but that's basically what it is. And it'll be good because I don't know if you can see all those brushes back there, but let me put this in back in this bag because y'all know that I will lose a piece. I probably could have downloaded a file to cut this on my laser cutter, but you know what? Um, these I can never have enough of. I'm very excited about this. Come on. Mostly because I am working on a big crochet project right now, and I have 1,000 ends to weave in. So is this 6? Yeah. This is 6 just tapestry needles or darning needles to sew in ends, and they have big eyes, and I like that they have the curved tip. And I think I remember getting 2 of these. That would be great because before the end of this video, I will lose at least 5 of the 6 in here. These are plant tags. Too little too late because I repotted my seedlings and they are completely mixed up and I have no idea what's what anymore. This is some trim for some ornaments I want to make at some point. It's actually really you focus like it's pretty nice. Like yeah, that's that. This is yeah. Let me tell you, this is the thing about Temu. First of all, this thing is broken. I needed like I mean these are stitch markers. You need at most, I mean, depending on the complexity of your project you're doing, like 5, maybe 10, say 20. I think this is 150. 200. Sorry, it's 200 stitch markers. But you know what? They were the same price as a 6-pack at Hobby Lobby would have been. So, yeah, I don't know what I needed these for, but I needed them for something. I like to have a stitch marker when I'm crocheting, like in the round, so I can tell when my when my rows start and stop because sometimes it's difficult to tell. So now I have 200, which is great because I will lose 158 before the end of the video. And I think, yeah, that's it. I guess I didn't get 2 things of the, I guess I didn't get 2 things of the, wait a minute, I'm like, 2 things of these things. But yeah, I'm glad to have these. I needed these. I'm very interested in that and the Lego thing, and I think this will be pretty on my mom. So thanks for watching. Pray for me, my head, my eyes, my everything. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.